Hello everyone, I am Wilson Chan. I am a laptop wholesaler and exporter. Today I'm going to tell you guys a secret which almost every of my customers would like to know, which is how to remove the white spot of the laptop screen. So this is a secret, but I'm gonna open it to all of my customers. Okay, so especially for those laptop wholesaler, and because they always wonder how to fix this screen problem. So today, I'm going to tell you all it lies to this films. We call it films. So this is two kinds of films. Okay, so this is a plastic made of plastic. So later I'm going to show you the whole process of my technician fixing this screen problem. Okay, so remember me, I am Wilson Chan. I'm a laptop wholesaler. I export and wholesale laptops to the whole world. Sorry, now it's the X time. I'm gonna promote my Dubai warehouse because my Dubai warehouse will be open in June 2021. It means 2 months later my new warehouse in Dubai will be open. So I welcome all of you guys to come to visit my warehouse. Thank you everyone.